Hello, everybody. Peter Gantner here. I am grateful to be here. Today, we are going to be covering another low cap gem, Katana. Not to be confused with Katana Inu, which is a game, which we are probably going to cover too. It is not under $1 million. It is another token that I hold. And of course, you guys know we do have some Katana. We do not cover tokens that we are not involved with. So, what are we here to do? We're here to look at token. Most of the projects that we look at are under $1 million. So I had a team of 5 people who work with me on a daily basis who went and researched every token they could find under $1 million on CoinMarketCap. What we were looking for are teams of people that hopefully, well, with most of them, they made it through the bear market. They continued to develop, continued to push, continued to move their project forward. Why? Because we believe that second only to the community that is behind the project is the team. That's the success mechanism there that allows for the team to become successful. And having somebody that would stick it out through the bear market is incredible. All right, so before we get started there, though, I am going to go ahead and tell you this. I am not a financial advisor, never have been one, never want to be one, okay? This is for entertainment and educational purposes. Again, being in the blockchain space, loving decentralization, we thought that somebody needed to really highlight these projects and these teams that have been sticking it out and making things happen. And that's why we're here. So what you're going to do is take the information that I have, if you want to, and you're going to go do your own research. That's why we're just going to cover some basics about the project. We're not going to dig in super deep because that is for you to do on your own. We will be doing a follow-up video, though, on this down the road, and that will probably have some more details and some more information. Matter of fact, with one of the projects that we've already done, we're going to be interviewing the founders of the project and the people that are working on it in order to get more information. And so with that, let's jump into Katana. Now, I will say, guys, this is Katana with 2 T's. So Kattana, and that'll get you to the right one. Katana Inu, which is with a single T, again, is the game. So we can look at here, guys, that we've got a 0.2598 cents. So a little over a quarter, almost 26 cents. We can see that it's up today, 3.46%. We can see that the market cap right now is 822,721. One of the things that we can look at here, guys, let's go here out 7 days. And we can see that there's actually been some movement, a little drop off right here. We could probably do a little investigation and find out what happened here, but then it came right back up and recovered. We can actually go out the month and we can see that there does seem to be a couple of dip points here, but I think what this is telling me, at least, is that there's some support for this token. Somebody is selling off and then somebody's buying in. We can go out to DEX tools as well and see if these are bots that are manipulating this or not, which we will do and check out. All right, so we can see that the fully diluted market cap is 2.5 million. So that shows about 31%, 32% of the tokens are in distribution. The rest are to be distributed. We do not see a max supply here. Might be a great question to ask the team is, hey, is there a max supply? And it's just not on CoinMarketCap, or are these mintable and there may be more in the future? We can come down here and see that the main chain it's on is Ethereum, but it also has more here. So you can always go to a token, and if it has just one address here, that's the only chain it's on. Or if it has this more on CoinMarketCap, you can click right there and it'll show you additional chains it's available on. Why is this important? If you're going to get in at smaller amounts and you're doing it on the Ethereum chain, an $8, $10, $12 gas fee on something like a Uniswap could be detrimental to being able to get involved in the project, because now you have to make that much more. I mean, this thing's really got to run. So on the Binance Smart Chain, 8, 12, 14, 15 cents transaction fee versus 10 or $12. I went on a few weeks ago, maybe about 10 or 12 days ago, and the transaction for me to sell a token back into the marketplace on Uniswap was like $45, $50, right? It was pretty expensive. And I think at one point it was even $80 for one of the transactions that I was working on. We can come down here and we can see they are on LaToken and Gate.io. Of course, if you're in the US, you can't use Gate.io, so that is not available. But it is available on a couple centralized exchanges, and of course, PancakeSwap for BNB and Uniswap for the Ethereum and BNB. So you can actually buy BNB tokens on Uniswap. So let's jump out to the website here, guys. All right, we jump over to the website, leading trading environment. Of course, it is a functioning project. You can open up the app. We are not going to jump in that far on this one. The ultimate all-in-one trading terminal. So they call themselves a trading terminal. A lot of different charts. So they've got the real-time charts. You've got trading directly through the terminal. So you can trade with it. Analyzes P&L wallets, various alerts, buys, sells, and much more. Limit orders of several types of execution, and a news aggregator. So always good to know the news, because of course news can move projects dramatically across the board. So it's got a lot of trading tools in order for you to use. One of the things that I saw that talked about the community has really been involved in helping develop and build these tools. The community is made up of a lot of different traders, so they've done a lot to enhance the trading experience. Now, one of the difficulties that smaller exchanges like this have, or trading terminals as they call it, is liquidity, right? A lot of times people trade on the bigger exchanges, whether it's a Binance or a Gator, or maybe on the Uniswap and stuff like that, is because of the fact that they have a lot of liquidity. It's important to have liquidity to get in and out. So that is something that we can probably look at and see what tokens do they have liquidity on, which ones don't they have liquidity on. Of course, their partnerships, they've got a ton of partnerships here, all the way from Chainlink all the way through to many other projects here that you can go and click on. Bancor. So just a lot of Polygon, just a lot of different partnerships that they're working with on the space. I got to tell you, it's a pretty nice, clean site. Love the color combinations here. You got the red and the white, and so it's a very nice, attractive site on that side of it. Let's jump over to their Twitter page here, or X. I'm going to hit the follow button because I do own the token. We don't cover anything that we don't purchase here. Small amount right now, just to keep an eye on it and keep some focus on it to see what's going on. We can see that their pin post is from December 17th. A reminder that our 50% off holiday offer of the premium subscription is only $24.99. So we can see that it's a subscription service that you're going to pay in order to use their tools and their services. It will be going up to full price, $49.99 soon. Okay, so if you come in here and you want to subscribe and use their tools, you might want to do that, because it doesn't seem like it's stopped yet. It looks like it's still going on because they still have the post pinned, right? All right, crypto trading is not a sprint. It's a marathon. You have to be patient, disciplined, and consistent. Don't let the short-term noise distract you from the long-term vision. Guys, this is so important, right? They posted this 3 hours ago. A lot of people get caught up in the hype, and it drives them to make bad decisions. Sell when it's low, buy when it's high, just all kinds of crazy. Just be disciplined. Wait. I've done it too. I've aped into a project, and when I know I should have waited, had it come back down, been able to buy it, and then have it go back up and do much better on it. So I think we've all fallen short when it comes to that type of stuff, but just that patience. So let's see what else we got. Unleash your trading master now. Go to the link app.katana.io subscriptions and click upgrade. Be quick to get the premium subscription at half price. So they're promoting their premium subscription there. Merry Christmas to those traders celebrating around the world today. So just a nice Merry Christmas there. You guys can see that they post quite often, right? They're very active on their Twitter page, which is always good that they're posting away. Let's see what else we got here. Elevate your trading beyond limits. Take your trading experience to the pinnacle of Katana Premium. Unlock treasure. Again, a lot of promotion for their premium product. If you're maybe a Katana user and you're one of the premium members, man, if you could give us some feedback down in the chat, that would be fantastic, so we can learn more about what tools are available, how effective are they, do they work, that type of thing. That would be fantastic to have that information. If you're with the project and you'd like to reach out, get us some other additional information. We are going to do a follow-up video on this down the road in the next 3, 4, 5 weeks, and we will have more information. All right, so let's jump over to the DEX tools. About 2,800 holders, so that's not too shabby. Got $133,000 in liquidity. That's pretty good for an $800,000 market cap. So let's come down here and see. They've got a great score, 97 out of 99 on their DEX tools on that side of it. We can see there are a few bots that are playing in the arena right now. We got a couple of bots right there that are trading, so that'll give you an idea there. And we can see that it has been trending upward over the last, what do we got here? We got December 14th. We were down there, and it's been pretty steadily trending up as it went along. So up to 25 cents. Where was it at down here? At about 21 cents. So about a 20% difference right there in the market cap. So guys, let's see. Hopefully you found that project interesting. You can check it out if you're a trader and are looking for trading tools. If you like the content of this video and you want to learn about more projects that are under $1 million or some other interesting projects, because we do cover a little bit of a variety there. Matter of fact, we've got a couple coming up here pretty soon. Go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Go ahead and ring the bell so you get notified every time we put a video up there. We are looking to engage with the community. This is a community effort. Community is commerce. We believe in decentralization, and we look forward to working with you, helping us back and forth to find the absolute greatest projects out there that have huge potential to accelerate in the value that they create for their users, in market cap, and in all areas decentralization. So thanks for joining us. Have a great day, and we look forward to seeing you on the next video.